Good morning, everyone, or afternoon. I greet you all depending on where you're watching this video from. So, on today's video, I will show you people how to create a demo account from ICMarket, and then you connect it with your MetaTrader and you test this our Forex trading kit, this robot that you can actually use for news trading and so on and so forth. So, without taking much of our time, I think we will move directly into the video. So first thing first, you need to use my ICMarket link. If you are not yet having ICMarket account, you should use my link to register with ICMarket. When you register, you verify your account, and then you can have demo account. When you have your demo account, what you should do is this: you should come to demo, and then you come to open a demo account. From here, it will take you to this window. What you should do is move to the next page, take MT5 raw spreads, you change it to standard account, and then leverage is 1:1000. That is the maximum leverage. You can use that, or as well as you can take any amount that you can afford to start your live account with. You can actually deposit it here. You can start with $200, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, and so on and so forth. I can decide to take, I have $1,000 in my account for my news trading, because normally this strategy that we are working on with this account, with this robot, is purposely for news trading. So I click on proceed. Now the account has been created. So what I need to do, is to click on accounts, and then I click on demo here. When I click on demo, I now take my account. When I select my account here, I'll be able to log into the account. So next thing to do is to log into our account. Let's take this one, since I have about up to 3 different demo accounts. So if I can take this one, and then I move to master the server ICMarket global AC demo, that is the server. I come to MetaTrader 5, which is that of ICMarket. What should I do? I should click on this file, and then I come to profiles, not profile, sorry. I come to open an account, and I select this Raw Trading Ltd. I type it here and search. When it comes, I click on it, and then I wait for it to open. ICMarket SC demo, that is it. I input my account number, and then I go back there to select what? To select my trading password. This is the trading password for this account, and I copy it. I come back to ICMarket, and then I click paste password, and I tap on finished. This is it. I have logged in, but not yet. It has not been able to log in yet. So I still need to rescan this network and then retry it so that it can log in. So you actually see we have successfully logged into our account. This is the initial balance that we've deposited, $1,000. If you successfully log in, you can check below here, the server is connected. You see it with a green network. Below VPS here, below VPS tester here, you will see it. This is it here. So that is that, and it depends on the news you are trading. Let's say you are trading NFP, for example, and NFP is coming out on every first Friday of every month. What you should take note is this, and the time that NFP is going to be released, that is when you need to take note. And the currency pairs that it's affecting, it mostly affect all the global USD pairs. You understand, whether USD is the measure or it becomes a base or the quoted currency, it affects everything as far as USD is concerned. So you should, first of all, you can trade Euro USD, GBP USD, you can trade USD JPY, you can trade USD Canadian dollar, but at times it's always very necessary not to trade USD Canadian dollar, especially when Canadian employment change will be released on that same day, because almost every time that NFP is being released, employment change for Canadian dollar will be released. So definitely you will see two news events affecting one single currency pair. One is affecting United States dollar, another one is affecting Canadian dollar. And it is very disastrous to trade that type of news, because it will give you what we call counter fundamental. Another news might be telling the currency pair to buy, another one might be telling it to sell. It might produce weak source. You see it at the same time it buys and it sells, so it has no direction. It will just produce a type of choppy movement, and it might definitely hit all the trigger orders and your stop losses, and it might definitely blow your account. So always go in for one. I At times I mostly like to trade Euro USD, USD JPY, or I trade XAU USD, that is gold United States dollar. So that is what I prioritize. So you can do that. So now this USD, Euro USD, XAU USD, and most importantly, at times you always have to put it on 5-minute time frame. That is when you can do it. And then you have to do what? You have to get the robot from me, and then you add it. How do you add the robot? First thing, if I send you the file, you need to open it, read the instructions, you copy the .ex MT5 file, you come here to files. When you click on files and open on files, what do? When you click on file, you open data folder. When you come to file, you open it, you click on data folder, and then it will open this page for you. You come to MQL5 folder inside here, and then you click on expert. If you have expert advisors, anywhere you paste it around here, it will definitely open. And now I can put it inside here where we can have profit pilot kit. That is it here. So this is our trading kit. It's not only about news, it has other different things. You can use it for your technical setups, you input your stop loss and take profit. You can do it. So this is the file. This one is the where the source code is. This is where I have to program everything and give you. I can decide to give you a license for 1 year, 2 years, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It depends on my choice of giving you out. I can decide to give you unlimited accounts, as well as I can decide to give you a single user account for this profit pilot. It is it here. So what I need to do is this. I just need to do what? I just need to paste it inside here, and then I close the place, and I come to this part where we have expert advisors here. I right click on it, I click refreshed. When I click on refresh, I click on a plus sign. This drop down will appear, and definitely I will see the robot. There is it here. I now take it and add on my chart. If I add it on my chart, I might definitely have to close this part. So if I add it on my chart, this is what will appear here. This is how it will look like. Okay, so this is where we have the inputs for the robot, which is what we call the parameter section of the robot. So if I click on common, what should I do? You can see it here. This is my company and my name with my number. If you click here, it will link you to my website directly. When you click on common, the first thing that you need to do is to allow algo trading. Algo is automatic trading or expert advisors whatsoever. You have to allow algo trading so that the robot will be able to execute trades. Second thing you need to do is to click on input here, and now what you should do is this: both trade type means both, or you click on buy only or on sell only. But now you have to keep it on both, because you are doing what we call buy stop and sell stop for this strategy. This strategy is buy stop and sell stop strategy. So now this SO is SL, that is SLTP distance of the pending order. It therefore means that is a title for these three things. We have the stop loss, we have the take profit, and the pending distance. That is what we have. SLTP, the pending distance of the order, of the pending order. So stop loss here, what we don't have to change anything, you just have to allow it on both. Stop loss, it depends on how much you want to risk. By default, stop loss is 20 pips. By default, take profit is 50 pips. For news, it should not be more than that. And in this way, it's either you blow 50%. In this way, you are risking 20 pips to go in for 50 pips. Or you can decide to put it, take profit is 60 pips. You can decide to reduce the number of pips you are risking at this time. Now, pending distance is what? Let's say the current market price of gold is 23.21 here, and now that is the distance, and the pending distance should be what how many pips should it measure away from the current price for it to place your pending order, be it buy stop or sell stop. When you put it at 30, it means that when the news is being released, it will move by 30 pips before it will trigger your pending buy stop or sell stop. Take note. So you have to adjust that to any level you want. You can decide to put pending pips is only 10 or 15. So when the news is being released, it moves by 15 pips, it meets your pending order and it executes the order. So that is that. And then that is very, very necessary, because if you don't put the exact value that you want it to execute, you will go and execute at different direction or at a wrong place. Number of trades you want it to open. How many trades do you want this robot to execute? Is it 2, 3, 4? It's customizable. You can customize. You can put 5 trades. Now, position size parameter. This is where risk management is put in place. So risking is 1%. The lot size that you want it to take. Maybe you have a $1,000 account. Maybe you want it to, every trade it should enter 0.1, and it should take how many trades? 5 trades. Okay, so when you do like that, you can change your magic number if you want. If you don't want, you can allow it like that, and you click on OK. When you click on OK, you come to this particular place and you enable algo trading. The moment you on algo trading, you will see it here with the red button off. So what you should do, when algo trading is on, the robot is here and is off. You can see it here by yourself. Profit pilot kit below here with this with a small logo. So what you should do is you click on off, it will just automatically come on. So the robot is coming on at times, it might delay to come on. So this thing, you should program this at least before that day that you want to operate your news or you want to trade your news, so that the moment you set it, everything 5 minutes before the news event, you come and cross check back whether your settings are in order, and then you just have to come to this setting again and click there and check pending distance, take profit, and then stop loss, and then number of positions to execute with lot sizing. When you do like that, you click OK. When you are done, the robot is on. So when the news is about to be released, 5 minutes before the news event, or in fact 3 minutes before the news event, you just come to this here place, you on the robot, and then you click buy stop. It measures 15 pips away, and press my trade. Yeah, yes, executed the order, but it's new weekend, it will not place any pending order. And then I have to come to sell stop again and click sell S. This sell S is sell stop. When I do like that, you have gotten the sound. It has executed the sell stop. So now when the news is being released, we don't know whether the news might be positive or negative. Any direction that it takes, it will trigger one of our order and they will close the other one. You can close it manually if you want. Okay, so you just wait for take profit to hit, or if you are this tired of profit, what you should do is this: you click on close all, it will automatically close all the trade, this button. So that is that about this, and we'll release another video to trade any news event live and you see it. So if you are interested with this, kindly comment. You have any opinion about this robot or any recommendation, any question you have, kindly drop it on our comment section so that we can give a very good feedback. Both positive and negative feedbacks are welcome so that we can do adjustments with our system. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.